following is a statement from the Kentucky Department of Health. This notice is being sent out to all the residents of Montgomery County, including portions of northern Powell County. It is being sent out in regards to a quickly and fast-growing epidemic and what officials call a mutation of the COVID-19 virus. The highest concentration of cases appear to be located in the area surrounding Jeffersonville, Kentucky along Highway 599. A mandatory curfew is now in effect. In addition, citizens must maintain a proper distance from others, including people in the same household. These limitations will be in effect for at least 1 week beginning tonight. Remember to practice proper hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and warm water to effectively combat germs. Stay away from others if you are sick. If you must travel, stay off the main roads and exercise extreme caution if you come across infected individuals. Stay tuned to local media for future information on this event as it unfolds.